Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make homemade fondant. We need no gelatin, no agar agar and no marshmallows for this fondant recipe. We just need 3 basic ingredients for this recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it well and make sure the sugar is completely melted. Keep the flame in medium till the end. Now the sugar mixture is nicely boiling, so go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Continue to mix until you get a single string consistency. Now we have it, so off the flame. To this add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it well until the butter is completely melted. Now keep this ready. I've powdered 2 cups of sugar in a mixer jar. From this, transfer 1 cup of powdered sugar to a mixing bowl. Make a well in the center and transfer the sugar mixture to the mixing bowl and mix it well. When the ingredients are well combined, add more powdered sugar and mix well. Repeat the same until you get a non-sticky dough. The amount of the powdered sugar varies, so add little at a time and mix well. Now we have a non-sticky dough, so stop adding the powdered sugar. Now drizzle some powdered sugar in your work area and transfer the dough to it. Start to knead with your hands. If you feel a little sticky, you can add more powdered sugar and then knead it. Knead for at least 10 minutes to get a smooth fondant. Now it's in perfect consistency and our fondant is ready. Wrap it using a cling wrap and then refrigerate for 2 hours before using. I already made a fondant cake using this homemade fondant. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe with no gelatin, no agar agar and no marshmallows. So do try this homemade fondant recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.